Welcome back to my design thinking class. Our journey on Empathize phase of design thinking will be structured as follows. What is Empathize phase? We will start by understanding what Empathize phase is all about. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for the rest of our discussion. Steps involved. Next, we will delve into the specific steps involved in Empathize phase. You will learn about the processes and activities that are critical for gaining deep insights into user needs and experiences. Immersion activity. Following that, we will engage in an immersion activity. This hands-on exercise will help you practice the principles of empathy by immersing yourself in the user's environment and experience. Questionnaire. Then we will discuss how to effectively use questionnaires. Crafting the right questions is key to uncovering valuable user insights, and we will explore techniques for doing this. Empathy map, customer journey map, personas storyboard. We will also look at several powerful tools used in Empathize phase, including empathy maps, customer journey maps, personas, and storyboards. Each of these tools helps visualize and synthesize user research in unique ways. Case study. Finally, we will examine a real-world case study. This will illustrate how the Empathize phase has been successfully applied in a business context, reinforcing the concepts we have covered today. Each sections will provide you with practical insights and tools to apply Empathize phase in your design thinking projects. Empathize is the first stage of the design thinking process. Design teams conduct research to get personal grasps of their users' needs. They set aside assumptions to obtain insights into the user's world by observing and consulting with users. This way, they can understand users' experiences, motivations, and problems. As we delve deeper into Empathize phase of design thinking, it's important to understand what empathy truly means in this context. Empathy is about connecting with users on a personal level to gain a genuine understanding of their experiences, feelings, and needs. Here are 4 key aspects of empathy in the design thinking process. See their world. To empathize effectively, we must see the world through the eyes of our users. This means immersing ourselves in their environment and understanding the context in which they operate. By doing so, we can grasp the challenges and realities they face daily. Understand their feelings. It's crucial to go beyond surface-level observations and truly understand the emotions and feelings of our users. This involves listening actively, asking insightful questions, and being sensitive to their emotional states. Appreciate them as human beings. Empathy requires us to appreciate users as whole individuals with their own stories, backgrounds, and unique perspectives. We must recognize their humanity and value their input, treating them with respect and consideration throughout the process. Communicate your understanding. Finally, it's essential to communicate our understanding back to the users. This helps validate our insights and ensures that we are on the right track. It also builds trust and rapport, showing users that we genuinely care about their experiences and are committed to addressing their needs. To truly grasp the user's needs and experiences during the Empathize phase of the design thinking process, we follow a series of systematic steps. Here is how we can effectively empathize with users. Define the objective. Start by clearly defining what you aim to learn from the Empathize phase. Identify the specific user needs and problems you want to understand. This clarity will guide your research efforts. Plan user research. Develop a detailed research plan that outlines the methods you will use to gather information about users. This plan should include timelines, resources needed, and the specific questions you intend to ask. Conduct observations. Observe users in their natural environments as they interact with products or services. Pay attention to their behaviors, workflows, and any pain points they encounter. Observational studies can reveal insights that users might not explicitly state. Engage in interviews. Conduct in-depth interviews with users to delve deeper into their experiences, motivations, and frustrations. Use open-ended questions to encourage detailed responses and uncover underlying needs. Immerse yourself in the user's environment. Whenever possible, immerse yourself in the user's environment. Experience their context firsthand to gain a deeper understanding of the challenges they face. This could involve shadowing users or participating in their daily activities. Capture user stories. Gather user stories through various means such as interviews, surveys, and diaries. These stories provide valuable insights into users' lives and help to highlight their emotional journeys. Create empathy maps. Use empathy maps to organize and visualize the data collected from observations and interviews. An empathy map typically includes what users say, think, do, and feel. This tool helps synthesize information and uncover patterns. Develop personas. Based on your research, create detailed personas representing different user segments. Personas are fictional characters that embody the key characteristics, needs, and behaviors of your target users. They help keep the focus on real user needs throughout the design process. Analyze and synthesize insights. Analyze the data you have collected to identify common themes, insights, and pain points. Synthesize this information to develop a clear understanding of the user's experiences and the problems they face. Communicate findings. Share your findings with the broader team through presentations, reports, or visual storytelling methods. Effective communication ensures that everyone involved in the project understands the user's needs and can contribute to developing user-centric solutions. By following these steps, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of our users. This empathetic approach is crucial for creating solutions that truly resonate with users and address their real needs. Now that we have discussed the steps involved in Empathize phase, let's put some of those principles into practice with an immersion activity. Immersion is a powerful technique to gain a deep understanding of users by experiencing their environment and context firsthand. Immersion activities allow us to step into the user's world and see things from their perspective. It's about experiencing what they experience, understanding their daily routines, and observing the challenges they face. This activity will help us develop a deeper empathy for our users, which is essential for designing solutions that truly meet their needs. Define the objective. First, let's clearly define the objective of our immersion activity. What specific user experience do we want to understand better? For this exercise, we will focus on specific aspect or scenario, example the customer service experience at a retail store. Plan the immersion. Next, we will plan our immersion. Each team will be assigned a specific location or scenario to observe and participate in. You will spend specified amount of time in this setting carefully observing and interacting with users. Engage and observe. As you immerse yourself, engage with the environment and observe closely. Take note of everything: users' actions, interactions, emotions, and any pain points they encounter. Try to blend in and experience the situation as naturally as possible. Take notes. Document your observations with notes, photos, or videos if appropriate. Focus on capturing key moments and insights that illustrate the user's experiences and challenges. Interact and ask questions. When appropriate, interact with users. Ask open-ended questions to understand their thoughts and feelings about the situation. For example, can you tell me more about your experience with this service? Or what challenges do you typically face here? Reflect and share insights. After completing the immersion, take some time to reflect on your observations and interactions. What stood out to you? What new insights did you gain? Each team will then share their findings with the group. Immersion activities are a cornerstone of Empathize phase in design thinking. They allow us to move beyond assumptions and gain a genuine understanding of our users' world. The insights we have gathered today will be invaluable as we move forward in the design process. We will discuss about questionnaire and empathy map in the next class. Thank you.